Alright, so what becomes the second derivative of the answer we got from the previous video? That's what we're treating as second derivative. And you know what second derivative is? That's the second power of it. That's differentiating to respect of x, right? D over dx, right? Of dy dx, right? That's how we're having the square y over what? Dx all squared. Right, so what that give to us? I told you that in doing this we are working with product rule. That's our product rule, which is u dv over dx plus what? Plus v du over dx. I told you I'm working with this, right? So we're working with. So first of all, what do? We start with u and let all of this, right, be our u, and let all of these be our v, right? So this is our u, that's u, that's 4 cos 4x plus 6, right? That's our u. Then d of dx of what? Of v. What's our v? Our v is simply e of sine 4x plus 6. Alright, for that, then plus what? Plus v, which is what? E of sine 4x plus 6 of what? D of dx of what? Of u. What's our u? Differentiating 4 cos 4x plus 6. Just following the order. I've been teaching this for a long time now, so all of these are in the previous video. Just go through them. We're just trying to broaden our understanding on this. So the answer becomes what? We leave this, differentiate this. So let's differentiate this. If we differentiate this, what are we going to get? We're still going to have the same thing we'll be getting. Right? The answer to this is what? It's what we have here. So the answer to that is, let's start with this. Leave this, 4 cos 4x plus 6. Right? And if we differentiate this, what are we going to get? Okay, let's use the simplest way of differentiating it. Differentiate this one first. What are we having? We're going to have 4. Right? Differentiate all of this. So we're going to have, cos. Because we differentiated this, then differentiate. We're going to have cos 4x plus 6. You see now, that's the trick. First of all, differentiate this one. We have 4, and differentiate everything here. It's going to be 4 of it, right? As sine, as cos of that, right? I haven't differentiated that. What do we have? Right? We're going to have that. And then we're also going to have our e of everything here of sine 4x plus 6. All right, that's everything that has to do with this one. Let's bracket this one as the first one. All right, so plus what? I'm using big bracket now. Plus the second one. Leave this one here because we're not working with this. Sine 4x plus 6. Leave it there, and then differentiate that. If you want to differentiate that, how do we get? Differentiate 4 cos 4s. Very easy now. We're going to have minus, because this 4 is going to remain. Right? This 4 will remain here. First of all, differentiate this one. What are we going to have? We're going to have 4. Right? 4, right? And differentiate everything here. We're going to have sine of it. So cos, differentiate cos, we have minus sine, right? Sine gives us cos, and if you differentiate cos, we have minus sine. So differentiating this cos, we're going to have a minus. So let's put a minus here. Minus sine 4x plus 6. That's it. Second one. So let's just put a bigger bracket. See now? That's how it works. To make it more orderly, because we want to utilize the space we have, right? So this for this, and this is for this, and this also is for this, right? So let's arrange now. This file, that's just all we have. That's the whole thing. So we're just trying to arrange and get our total answer. So d square y over dx square is going to give us, look at this and this are the same thing if you watch carefully. So we just have them 4 cos 4x plus 6, right, all squared, right? Then replace our e of what? Of sine 4x plus 6. Alright, as the first one, so curly bracket, plus what? Plus, let's bring this one out first. Minus, look at now, this minus will multiply what we have here. So instead of plus, we're going to have minus. Right, so it is minus what? 4 times 4 is 16. So we have 16 sine what? 4x plus 6. And then we're bringing this one first. Remember, this minus times this plus is minus. That's why you're seeing minus here, please. Alright, and then bring this one first. And before you bring this, so everything can just be in order. Sine what? 4x plus 6. So we have as the answer. But we're not done. Trust me, we're not done. Why do I say we're not done? We are seeing this one and this one here. We're having two do the same thing here. So we just factorize and bring one out. I've done this in the previous video. So by factorizing, if I factorize this guy out, I'm going to have this minus this. So we're going to have, so total answer of the square y over dx squared is going to be, factorizing that, we'll have e of what? Of sine 4x plus 6 bracket what? This one first, 4 cos what? Cos 4x plus 6 minus 16 sine 4x plus 6 as the total answer. Okay, watch. This is our second derivative to the question that was given. Second derivative, very simple. If you go through it, carefully look at it. It's looking a bit hard, but if you practice, you get the answer. Moreover, the links to the former videos of how we got to this point will be dropped on the description box of this video below. So go there, make sure you subscribe, you like, share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, you can send to me on via my WhatsApp number that you're seeing on the screen. I'm going to help you solve them and make them easier for you to understand. Thank you for following Trigonometric Academy. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.